Over 40,000 cases of HIV and/or AIDS have been diagnosed and reported in the country thus far. What's more, a daily average of 58 cases of the disease or its symptoms have been reported for this year, which is 10 more than the monthly average for last year, thus making the argument for the country as among the fastest rising in the region. Bien Manalo tells us more.
As part of the commemoration of the upcoming celebration of World AIDS Day next month, the United States Agency for International Development or USAID and Ayala Healthcare Holdings Incorporated signed an agreement to strengthen HIV awareness, screening, and treatment access across the Philippines.
So with this partnership, natulungan po kami ng USAID para ma-train po nila yung mga tao namin. So parte po nung training nila, yung USAID po yung nagbigay din sa mga doktor namin on the platform.
It will also provide support to community engagement and technical assistance to Healthway medical networks in the Philippines. It will also hone the expertise of healthcare providers and expand telehealth access through Consulta MD. And in coordination with partners and stakeholders, in conjunction with the delivery of free HIV self-testing kits.
Now, it's really training, a lot of linking up with providers. So, medyo technical, yung assistance. And then, makakakuha po kami ng free test kits as part of the initial run.
On the last record of the Department of Health, more than 40,000 cases of HIV have been documented in the Philippines, while more than 400 individuals have reportedly died. The recorded HIV cases have increased by 10 per day this year compared to last year. The department is concerned because it is attacking more and more youths. The Philippines is one of the countries in Asia-Pacific region with the fastest rise of HIV cases. Because of this, the DOH intensified information dissemination and enhanced treatment protocols against the deadly disease, as well as the extension of HIV testing to the entire country. So the agency advises the public to pay heed to reminders and prevent the spread of HIV/AIDS. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.